So whenever you run your test, there will always be this section that shows that how to run your reports. Now you can see like those tests were run, but where's the report? You don't see the report, right? So what you can do is just control click on this, and this command will run this, and it says I'm hosting it on the local host, and this is your local host. You can see the tests have run. When you click on the test, you see okay, this is the filter at the top, which shows like hash title. At it is showing like okay, these parts were run like this, and there was an after hook part, so the before hook part in the test, and all those were run like this. Nothing has failed. There were no tests that was flaky or skipped, and both have passed. So this is the kind of report that you get, right? It's from Playwright. This is the default report as provided by Playwright. Another example I want to show you is related to the multiple browsers. So for example, in Playwright config you have multiple browsers enabled. So these two browsers are there, and now I just want to run some tests. So yeah, so now if I'm running my test, you can see there are 6 tests using 6 workers. So in total 6 workers have been run, and it's the same amount of 2 tests that have been run on 6 different workers. That's why it says the number is 6 fast. Anyway, so when you click on this npx playwright show report, now you can see those browsers have been mentioned over here. And if there's a top bar for search, if you just type the browser name over here, for example, you want to only see all the edge related test cases, so you just have to type edge, and it will filter it out based on like what has been typed. So it will only show Microsoft Edge tests. So this search bar is very useful. It has a filter of its own. If you want to just see the old tests that have certain pattern, so just type that pattern name. For example, I only want to see get started link, and it will only show me get started link test. So that's how this filter works, and it's very useful.